to delete or clear chats on Signal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Signal on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here in the chat section, you'll find all your chats. To delete a chat, simply hold on to the chat you want to delete. Then press on Delete at the bottom, which is below Archive. After you press on Delete at the bottom, press on Delete again, and the chat will be deleted. You can repeat the same process to delete all the chat you want to delete. And if you check that chat or messages, it will no longer appear. And this is used to manage privacy or free storage. And this is how to delete or clear a chat on Signal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.